Imagine you're hiking in the remote mountains when suddenly a friend slips and suffers a nasty cut. In the heart of the wilderness, miles from the nearest town, every second counts. With adrenaline surging, you remember the first aid kit stashed in your backpack. Pulling it out, you quickly locate the necessary supplies: sterile gauze, antiseptic wipes, and adhesive bandages. As you clean the wound, you're thankful for the antiseptic wipes that help prevent infection. Applying pressure with the gauze, you manage to stop the bleeding. Finally, securing the bandage, you ensure that the injury is well protected from external elements. This quick response isn't just about immediate care, it's about preventing a minor injury from escalating into a serious threat. Your friend is relieved, the pain subsides, and what could have been a turn for the worse is now under control. This scenario underscores the invaluable role of being prepared. A first aid kit is not just another item in your pack, it's a vital tool for outdoor survival. It's about more than just bandages and antiseptics. It's about the ability to respond effectively when faced with the unexpected. In the wilderness, where nature dictates unpredictability, a well-equipped first aid kit is your first line of defense. It empowers you to handle emergencies with confidence, ensuring that you can enjoy the beauty of the great outdoors, knowing you are prepared for any mishaps. Just like that, a potential disaster turns into a manageable situation, all thanks to a well-equipped first aid kit. Now let's unveil what makes the best Amazon First Aid Kit 2024 a must-have. Here goes the unboxing. As the box arrives, the first thing that strikes you is the sleek, minimalist design of the packaging. It's clear that thought has gone into making this first aid kit not just functional but visually appealing. The smooth, matte finish of the box, accented with vibrant red crosses, immediately suggests that what's inside is vital for any emergency. Opening the box, there's a satisfying ease to removing the contents, thanks to the smartly designed pull tab. No wrestling with stubborn seals or fumbling with excessive packaging here. It's all about accessibility, which, in an emergency, is key. Now let's talk about the size and storage capabilities of this kit. Despite its compact dimensions, which allow it to slide effortlessly into a backpack, a car glove compartment, or even under a kitchen sink, it's astonishing how much has been packed inside. The layout inside is meticulously organized, ensuring that every item is easy to reach and replace. Each compartment and pocket is clearly labeled, which alleviates the guesswork during stressful situations. Whether it's a minor scrape or a more pressing medical need, the ease of finding the right component is paramount. Compact, sleek, and packed with essentials, this kit is not just a box, but a beacon of safety. What exactly lurks inside this compact lifesaver? Let's dive in. At the heart of any first aid kit, you'll find the essentials: adhesive bandages, antiseptics, and pain relievers. Adhesive bandages, or plasters, come in various sizes, ready to cover anything from a tiny pinprick to larger scrapes. Antiseptics, such as alcohol wipes or hydrogen peroxide, are crucial for preventing infections, making sure that a simple cut doesn't turn into a serious complication. Moving on to pain relievers, items like ibuprofen or acetaminophen are staples. They not only alleviate pain but also reduce fever, helping maintain comfort during recovery. But what about more severe situations? This is where specialized items like tourniquets and CPR masks come into play. Tourniquets are vital in controlling significant bleeding, potentially saving a limb or life before professional help arrives. Meanwhile, CPR masks are essential for performing safe resuscitation, protecting both the rescuer and the victim. From scrapes to major emergencies, this kit is equipped to handle it all. But this kit isn't just about the basics. Let's explore some of its unique lifesavers. Venturing beyond the usual array of bandages and antiseptics, this first aid kit introduces items designed for more severe conditions. Consider the inclusion of emergency blankets, not just any blankets, but ones capable of retaining up to 90% of body heat. These are invaluable in preventing hypothermia during unexpected overnight stays in the wilderness or after exposure to harsh weather. Then there's the burn gel. A nasty burn can occur anywhere, from a campfire mishap to a kitchen accident. Having burn gel readily available can soothe pain swiftly and begin the healing process much sooner than without. Another standout feature is the kit's water-resistant casing. It ensures that all contents stay dry and sterile, which is crucial when you find yourself in damp or unpredictable environments. It's these thoughtful additions that can make a huge difference in unexpected situations. Knowing what's in the kit is one thing, but knowing how to use it, that's crucial. Let's start with the pressure bandage. It's not just any bandage, it's a lifesaver in situations involving severe bleeding. First, ensure the area around the wound is clean. Then, unwrap the pressure bandage and apply the sterile pad directly on the wound. Now wrap the bandage tightly around the wound, using the clips or adhesive strips to secure it. The goal here is to apply enough pressure to slow the bleeding, but not so much that it cuts off circulation. Next, let's talk about the CPR mask. In a world where seconds count, this simple tool can be pivotal. Before using the mask, make sure you're trained in CPR. This demonstration is just a refresher. Place the mask over the person's nose and mouth, creating a seal. Then perform breaths interspersed with chest compressions as per CPR guidelines. Remember, the mask is there to create a barrier between you and the patient, helping to reduce the risk of cross-contamination. While these items are crucial, it's equally important to be familiar with everything else in your kit. Take the time to practice and understand how each component works. For instance, know how to use tweezers for splinter removal, or how to apply an ice pack correctly to reduce swelling. Remember, the first aid kit is more than just a box of supplies. It's a box of potential. Every item has its purpose, and knowing how to use them effectively can significantly impact the outcome of an emergency. A few practiced moves can be the difference between panic and poise in emergency situations. How does this kit stack up against others? Let's compare. When looking at the landscape of first aid kits available on Amazon, it becomes evident that each has its strengths and weaknesses. Today, we're pitting our featured kit against some of the other top sellers to see how they measure up. Starting with contents, our kit boasts a comprehensive array of items, including some you won't find in every kit, like a CPR mask and emergency blanket. However, some competitors edge ahead with the inclusion of advanced tools like splints and instant cold packs, which could be crucial depending on your needs. Moving on to usability, our kit shines with its clear labeling and easy access compartments, making it a breeze to use in stressful situations. Some other kits, while packed with features, can be a bit daunting due to poor organization. Price-wise, our kit sits comfortably in the mid-range. It's not the cheapest, but it offers great value considering the quality and breadth of supplies included. Choose the kit that best meets your needs, but remember, any kit is better than none. One size does not fit all when it comes to first aid kits. Let's personalize. First aid kits are not just about having bandages and antiseptics, they are about ensuring readiness for your specific lifestyle. Whether you're a hiker, a city commuter, or someone who enjoys leisurely garden afternoons, each scenario demands different supplies. For the adventurers, consider adding items like snakebite kits and waterproof matches. Urban dwellers might find it useful to include pollution masks and hand sanitizers, which are great for high-density areas. Families with young children should think about including child-friendly antiseptics and colorful bandages to make the healing process a little less scary for the little ones. Meanwhile, if you or your family members have specific medical needs such as allergies or asthma, it's wise to include medications like allergy relief tablets or asthma inhalers. Remember, the goal is to tailor your kit to the environments you frequent and the activities you engage in. Tailor your kit to your life, and you'll always be prepared for what comes your way. We've unpacked, explored, and demonstrated, but the journey to safety doesn't stop here. Throughout this video, we've taken a deep dive into the best Amazon first aid kit of 2024. From the unboxing experience to the essential and specialized components, we've covered what makes this kit a must-have in any emergency situation. Remember, it's not just about having these items at your disposal, it's about understanding how to use them effectively. Whether it's a minor scrape or a more serious emergency, knowing how to correctly use the contents of your first aid kit can make a significant difference. We also looked at how this kit stacks up against others on the market and provided tips on how to customize it to fit your specific needs and activities. Every item, from adhesive bandages to the emergency blankets, has been selected to offer peace of mind and practical assistance when you most need it. Stay safe, stay prepared, and remember, a first aid kit is your first line of defense in an emergency.